Hi, it's Sandra, and today I'm so excited because we're going to talk about my September giveaway. And yes, my September giveaway is going to be, drum roll please, there you go, there's your little drum roll, a Mani by Me Express Kit. But the special thing about this Express Kit is, and here it is, here's the Express Kit. It is not this year's Halloween Express Kit. It is last year's Halloween Express Kit. So if you missed out on last year's Maniology Halloween plates, guess what? You can win them right here. I bought a few of these last year and I wanted to give them away. So I saved it till September so that way we could do a giveaway with last year's plates. So what you're going to get in this is the entire collection. And like I said, this is the Express Kit. So this one is now still $18. And you get everything but the polishes in this. So the Express Kit gives you everything but the polishes for 18 bucks. And the one with the polishes is the full kit, the box kit, and that one is 25. So last year's kit gave you this powder. I'm not sure what color it is. I cannot remember, and it'll be a surprise because I'm not opening it up so that way the person who wins can open it. So you're going to get one of these powders. You're going to get this wonderful mango soft jelly fruit jelly for you to eat. It's a year old, so don't know if these expire, but there you go. It's been sitting in that package waiting. You've got your instructions here, just like all the other kits. You've got your little cards giving you some ideas on how to do manicure. You've got your summary of the box or the kit, the Express Kit, and then win a prize. This is no good anymore. This was from last year, so don't think you're going to reveal something and win something, but I kept it in there. And then you're going to get these two exclusive plates. And I thought last year's Halloween plates were really cute. So you are going to get two plates, 063 and 064. And these plates are like patchwork quilt kits. And they got Halloween stuff on them. So they're kind of cool. We've got this, looks like a patchwork quilt here. We've got some spider webs and we've got full nail designs. Also got some of these little pictures of these little guys, these little monsters in here, which are really cute. You've got all these other little things and boxes you can put on there. You can be creative with all this. You've even got some potion bottles with some eyeballs and 13th it says on here. Really cute Friday. Here's a Friday the 13th. A little broom here. So lots of cute little things. And then you get the second plate, which is this one. And this is one of those big images that you can take pieces and parts off and put on your nail. You also have, again, you got 4 full nail things. You've got some, looks like some skulls and some eyeballs. And this one we've got a mixture of, what's on this one? Looks like an eyeball on here, maybe some brains here. And then we've got some silly Frankensteins, and this one's kind of cool. It's got the little crystal ball in the center. Skeleton, looks like a drippy eye. So this one has a lot of cute images on it, and like I said again, this was from last year. So I will pick a winner on September 21st, which I believe is a Wednesday. So it's not very far away. It's a week from Wednesday, and see who wins. So you need to get your entries in before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 21st. I will pick a winner after 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So all you have to do is enter me in the comments below, and I will pick a winner. And good luck to everybody. Don't forget that if you do win, you will have to email me with your address at nailstampology@gmail.com. And good luck to everybody. and I'm so excited to give this kit away. I hope that you're excited too. I'm sure there were a lot of people that got this kit, but I thought it would be really cool to give an old kit away. I don't think I could hold on to this for 10 years and then throw it out there and say, here you go, because I know a lot of these Mani by Me plates sell online for a lot of money, the older ones. So it's a year old. It's good enough. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.